There are two ways a bank can support you with your business. We either support you by giving you overdrafts to support your operations, or we support you with term loan to finance your assets.
I'm here attending the third edition of Warri Mentoring Class, the September edition. This edition is dedicated to access to finance. It's mind-blowing.
Their loans are for growth. So if you got to the point where you are stuck, you have grown it, but you are stuck and you need to expand, you have a business like this man that is one that you cannot fund yourself, and then you can come and don't get a loan because loan is available.
That's been so amazing for me, especially.
September edition of the Warri Business Class. Trust me, it was spot on, perfect. I got the time to get some valuable things to add to my business.
This mentorship class, it is explosive. Like I've had the worst. I just had the wonderful experience of my life. Like meeting business people, business-minded people, getting value that can improve my business.
The income that you get from that one, so that way we'll be able to do a proper assessment and give you a product that is we know that is good for you. You understand?
The market is the key. Is the key. Do you understand? You can do business from there. The market, the customers is the key.
At the Warri Mentoring Class September edition, I must tell you, this is a class you should not miss. You have opportunity to meet with business-like people. I personally, this is my third time here. For me to be here the third time, you should know it's what's coming.
My take home for today that I'm going to practice as I go home is that success, for anybody to invest in you, first invest in your business. First invest in your business, and I hope to see you in October edition. Please don't miss out, because you will gain a lot as I am. Have a wonderful day.